Hey everyone, did you know walking barefoot can be soothing, connecting to nature, but it may expose you to some hidden dangers lurking in the soil? Bacteria that can be harmful and even deadly. Yeah, these microorganisms can cause serious infections if you're not careful. Here are some of the most notable threats. Burkholderia pseudomalia, known for causing maliodosis. I'm not even sure how these are pronounced. This bacteria can thrive in soil and water in tropical areas and has recently been detected in parts of the U.S. Its symptoms can range from mild respiratory issues to life-threatening conditions like pneumonia and sepsis. And then you have Listeria monocyclogenes genus. It's found in the soil. It's an enterobacteria that can, get into contaminated food, and it's very serious illness. Dangers to weaken your immune system. And then Clostridium tetani. This culprit is behind the tetanus. This bacteria causes toxins that can affect the nervous system. It can enter your body through wounds that come from contaminated soil. Then finally, let's talk about another really great one. Bacillus anthracis. This bacteria, more commonly known as anthrax, it can actually live in certain conditions, such as it likes the warm climate and all that. But it has been known to actually survive for decades in the ground until the conditions are just right. And then in that warm, moist environment, these spores can become active and potentially infect humans and grazing animals. So, to protect yourself, consider wearing footwear when walking outdoors, particularly in areas known for soil contamination. And that's usually in areas where there may be a lot of grazing animals and feces. Regularly wash your hands, and there are vaccines, especially for tetanus. I just got one 2 days ago. Yes, my arm still hurts, but I'd rather have prevention from something that could actually cause me some nerve problems that could become life-threatening. So make sure you protect yourself. Walking barefoot may be grounding, but it's wise to tread cautiously. Nature has risk. So remember, and stay safe, enjoy the world responsibly, and remember, as always, love, peace, and respect. Hey, everyone. You're listening to me, Silver Daddy. And you have a great day. Bye. Bye.